Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is 24th October 2025. This video is on a Nature article published open access 15th October 2025 titled Niche Specific Dermal Macrophage Loss Promotes Skin Capillary Aging. Tissue-resident macrophages support organ repair and homeostasis. Dermal capillary-associated macrophages are essential for capillary perfusion. Age-related loss of capillary-associated macrophages may contribute to vascular dysfunction and impaired skin healing. The study investigators used intravital 2-photon microscopy imaging in live mice. They used several genetic tools in their different mouse lines. The mice were aged to 1 to 24 months. Typically, a mouse in captivity in a pathogen-free environment lives 2 to 3 years, and in the wild less than a year due to predators. Human data: skin samples from less than 40 age of 40 years and those above 75 years. They used the two-way ANOVA, Tukey, and student t-test for statistics. The sample sizes were typically 3 to 4 mice, and they studied more than 150 capillaries per group. What did they find? They found that CAMs, capillary-associated macrophages, coverage decreased significantly with age, p-value 0.0001. Capillary perfusion was impaired in capillary-associated macrophage depleted regions, p equals 0.0144. Capillary-associated macrophages in RAC1 knockout mouses, there was defective RBC clearance, p-value 0.0085. CSF1, that is colony stimulating factor 1, FC, increased capillary-associated macrophage density and capillary repair in aged mice, p-value equals 0.0109. The key takeaway: capillary-associated macrophages are lost with age and not replenished efficiently. The loss of capillary-associated macrophages leads to impaired capillary perfusion and vascular aging. Colony stimulating factor 1 FC treatment rejuvenates dermal capillary-associated macrophages and improves vascular repair. Replenishment of capillary-associated macrophages requires damage signals or external stimuli, not just loss. Clinical pause: macrophage loss precedes vascular decline in skin, suggesting therapeutic window. Local colony stimulating factor 1 therapy can restore microvascular function in aging tissue. Skin capillary-associated macrophage behavior mirrors tissue-specific macrophage niches in other organs, example the heart and the brain. Vascular repair depends on RAC1 mediated phagocytosis and chemokine 3 CX3 CR1 recruitment. The density of capillary-associated macrophages may serve as a biomarker for skin vascular health. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.